So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung makikita mo. May mga memorabilia and stuff na naka-display. So, parang sort of museum, sort of display floor yun dito sa pinakababa. Hi everyone! Welcome to the spot. We're off to another adventure. So, dito na naman ako sa Poblacion. Have you ever been to a restaurant that kind of transported you to a different place na pagpasok nyo? Parang it feels different. Parang wala ka sa Pilipinas. Even the interiors, lahat music. It's a multi-sensory kind of experience. Parang yung multi-sensory, but pagpasok mo, it's a totally different feel. So, meron siya dito sa Poblacion, and I think most of you know this already. It's been in the Philippines. It's been in Makati, Poblacion for years now. It's called the Filling Station, no? So, yun yung pupuntahan natin. But oftentimes, people would go to the Filling Station at around evening kasi mas makikita mo yung neon lights. Na-try ko na rin po kumain dito ng evening. Na-try ko na rin kumain dito ng breakfast for brunch kasi it's appropriate for breakfast. But ang ingay. Ita-try ko siya ng late lunch, afternoon, early afternoon. So tara, samahan niyo ako dito. So ito siya. Kita-kita pa talaga yung mga wiring dito. Tara, tatawid na tayo.
Ma'am Chin, hindi ko nakita Ma'am Chin eh. Sir, may kasama ka na, sir?
Opo. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung makikita mo. May mga memorabilia and stuff na naka-display. So, parang sort of museum, sort of display floor yun dito sa pinakababa. And then, sa taas yung pinaka-restaurant talaga. And super cute ng display dito. Dito pa lang parang gives you a different kind of place. Ayan, may mga memorabilia. Yun. So these are collectibles. Excuse me, sorry. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, nakakuha tayo ng corner booth, which I like. Super ganda ng view natin from this corner. Diba? Tapos, merong table also na nakalagay sa loob ng car. Yan. Ang cool, di ba? And then sa ibabaw, you get to see all these things. It's a totally different feel. Tapos, what's interesting is sa labas is poblasyon already. It's a poblasyon known for it being gentrified na parang maluma na, no? Pero pagpasok mo dito, parang it's a totally different world altogether. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, order muna tayo. So, what I'm gonna order is yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga din sa kanila, which is yung strawberry milkshake nila. Yun. And then, I did try their popular na burger dito. Let me show you. Thank you. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-popular talaga nila dito ay burger, ito. Itong Tony's Double. I've tried this twice already. But I wanted to try something different this time. Kasi nga diner ang ano natin, ang atake. I wanna do something that is diner breakfast na meal. Nakita ko na siya kanina eh. And marami silang breakfast options dito. Ito yung gusto ko, strawberry milkshake. Sige, hanapin ko muna. Diba? Parang iba yung feels dito. Nahahappy talaga ako. So, it is now my favorite restaurant or it's my favorite food place now. Kasi parang more than just the food, I think what's important is the feel eh. And it really transports you to a different place, a different time. Even nga yung mga attendees na naka-uniform pa nga eh. It's a totally different feel. And by the way, sa gabi dito, may mga singers na umiikot-ikot. Very diner feels talaga. Very American diner yung feels dito. Ako mas better sa akin pag brunch or afternoon kasi konti lang yung tao, hindi ganun kaingay. Sige, isang power breakfast.
Power breakfast.
Tapos, isang strawberry milkshake ninyo.
Strawberry milk.
Yun lang. Pwede dito lang to. Baka may mana pa. Ha? That's it?
Power breakfast po isa and then strawberry.
Yep. Okay, thank you.
Wala naman pong food allergy.
Wala.
Any discount item.
Thank you. Oh, di ba? Yung music, gano'n eh. Di ba? Very Grease, very Archie, very American diner yung feels talaga dito. So, while waiting, I think it's best, it's good that ikot-ikot lang ako. Ay, naka-order na ako sa kanya. Pero yung sunny side up siya, tapos crunchy-crunchy yung gilid. Kaya, ha? Okay, thank you. Tapos even yung telephone, may radio dial pa siyang ganun. Cool. O, diba? Even dito, puno-puno siya ng mga memorabilia at mga plaka. While waiting, ikot tayo dito. Saglit. Excuse me. Ayan, ito siya. And this is heading to the bathroom. Mako-confuse kasi may nakaharang dito. Then we also have another area dito. Then meron din dito. Ang cool. Alam ko gumagalaw to eh. Ang cool is may area pa na very diner feels. Wala pala masyadong tao dito. Ang cool. Ano, may pa-jukebox pa sila. And you can also select some of their cakes here. Nang alam ko meron din, pwede ka rin bumili ng memorabilia. Yung sardinas. Anyway. Diba, ang cool. Ay, may ganito sila. For 580. Ang cool. Ang ganito rin sila for 550 also ng mug. And then yung mga tote bags. Then sila. Meron din dito sa side na ito. Ang cool. So 24 hours sila, by the way. Diba? Yun lang. Ang cool. So yun yung overall feels natin of the filling station. May pa-phone booth pa silang legit dito. PLDT. Cool, 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 cool. Ayan, yun na yung pa-tour natin. Anyway, so we're waiting for the food. Chill lang tayo dito. For some reason, parang naging super parang happy place na siya for me, happy resto. Kasi, again, it's not anymore about the food. Kasi kung food lang pupunta natin, you can just stay and then leave quickly, diba? Dito, parang you can stay up long because of the fields. And then, most people here will take photos, especially dun sa baba. It's more than just the gustatory experience, but it's more of a multi-sensory experience kasi kakain ka na, maganda pa narinig ng music, it's very nostalgic, it brings you to a different place, and then yung nakikita mo parang legit talaga with the neon lights and all the interiors. Parang the filling station really fills you in with something. The nostalgia, the fun, like a totally different experience, the novelty of for the lack of term, no. Dumating na yung strawberry milkshake na sinasabi ko. So let me show you. And so, meron siyang tall glass na ganito. And then with the straw. So, meron siyang kasamang ganito. So this is what I like. Kasi meron siyang extra, oh. Just tilt that in. Ayan, oh, meron siyang sobra. So habang hindi mo pa iniinom to, meron kang pa-extra sort of starter mo. Diba? Di ka tinipid. So, tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa gustatory experience na to. So, what I do is, nagulat ako nung una kong binili to. So, ko pa extra. Sabi ng friend ko, anong taho? Hindi, so meron siyang extrang mix dito. Kasi marami talaga yung ginagawa nila, no? It's fine. Masarap siya. Ako, I'm a big fan of the strawberry milkshake. Gusto ko talaga siya. Diba? So, habang nag-aantay ka, nagaganito ka. Before you dig into the tall glass. So, dumating na yung power breakfast nila. Yan. So, meron siyang soft, easy lang na egg. Pina-crunchy ko yung side. They have bacon, ham, and they have beans, sausage, mushrooms. Then meron silang toast dito sa gilid with butter and jam. Yan, very diner breakfast talaga. And I super like it. So, titikman na natin to isa-isa. Magtinapay muna tayo. And so, butter. Lagyan ko ng butter dyan. Lagyan mo na siya ng konting jam. Spread it all over. And, oh. So, Heinz yung ketchup nila. Nalagay ko siya sa hash brown. Lagyan ko siya sa gilid na lang. I can dip it. Nalagyan ko lang ng ketchup ng konti dun sa... Konti ba yun? Marami. Yung hash brown and then on the side na lang para pwede ko na lang siya i-dip. Ang una kong titikman ay itong sausage mo nila. Masarap. Smoky. Not overpowering. Masarap yung pagka-grill niya. Masarap sunog-sunog pa siya eh. Nalagyan ko lang siya ng konti ketchup. Garlicky, mushroomy, soft mushroom na lang. Yung regular ham. Then mag-beans tayo. Natikman natin tong bacon. Diba? Masarap yung hash brown nila. Not too oily. Really? So, ang gagawin mo ngayon ay yung egg, ilalagay ko siya sa toast na walang butter dyan. Yun, nalagyan natin dito. So, may nakalagyan na egg dito sa toast. And subo ko ng mushroom. And then mag-hash brown ka. Sausage. Then toast with egg. So there, that's the filling station experience. That's it. So, I think the overall, parang thoughts ko lang about this restaurant is that kasi parang from this gentrified scene, ayan, this is Poblacion already. Bigla kang mapapasok sa ganong restaurant, diba? So more than just the food, I think what really is its selling point is yung feeling eh. Yung sabi ko siyang multi-sensory kasi iba-iba na nakikita mo, ang narinig mo, ibang period ng music, and then the food also is nostalgic, right? So, yun lang. I just want to end my vlog here, and I just want to say that if you try out the filling station, if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead. Nasa Poblacion lang siya, nag-iisang filling station lang siya, and I just found out dun sa menu nila that it's already 35 years here in Makati. So go try it out and have a different feel to it. Be transported to a different time, be transported to a different place just for you to escape. And yeah, you kind of deserve it also. Yun lang. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll just talk to you in the next one. Bye!